Babylon mystery, mother of harlots, all these abominations of the earth that sit on many waters, drunk with the blood of the martyrs of Jesus.
Everybody playing the bass tonight, it's Sebastian Steinberg.